It's melting a little bit because it's kind of hot. Some kind of candy in there. Obviously Oreos, Sandas. Still not sure I can't place what the candy is. I'm gonna try it again. That's what the candy looks like. Kind of looks like Nerds candy, maybe? I don't know. Yeah, it's gotta be Nerds candy. But anyhow, if you guys viewed this video on July 31st, get to your Dairy Queen and try one if this is after. Oh my goodness. I can see why they call this Blizzard Fireworks. Those are not Nerds, those are Pop Rocks. Kind of took me by surprise, candy kind of crackling in my mouth, because I wasn't expecting it. If it wasn't surprised, I was try another spoonful here. And then I'll try the sandwich. That's good stuff. And I just want to thank the Dairy Queen at this location. Because I didn't want to get a drink, they let me get the Blizzard in place of the drink. So this medium size by itself, that should be about $7.50 Canadian before tax. But altogether with this, the sandwich, and the chips was 10 something. So it's actually a lot cheaper to do it that way if the location would let you. Not every location will. This location is nice enough to offer